Okay, friends, we're doing a review over, 5.4 solving radicals. So this is going to go real quick because I'm going to do some review problems for you, okay? So if you're watching this, we're going to go pretty quick with this. Are you ready? So I'm going to go to square root of x plus 1 equals 4. Okay? Please remember, take my paper down here. This is going to be like a 2-day, but this is our very beginning stuff. We want to isolate the radical. Okay, so if I were to solve here and onion this, then I would come out here and then the radical and then the 2. If I were to do my big onion, can you see that big onion? All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is get rid of this 2. So I'm going to divide by 2 on each side. Okay, and then I'm going to do x plus 1 equals 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, now, again, what is the opposite of taking the square root of something? Right, squaring each side. So we're going to square this side. And what I do to one side, I do to the other. So I'm going to square the other side. This might have looked familiar because we did this with them, okay? With them. So x plus 1, because squaring something and square rooting something, that would give us 2 over 2, right? Because this is a 2 here. Remember, friends? So that cancels out. Equals, what's 2 squared? Oh, 2 squared is 4. Okay, so this is just the opposite. I also don't have to worry about a plus minus here. That works. And then I'm going to, sorry, I forgot to onion one more time. Minus 1, and I get 3. Do a quick check. If I plug a 3 back into the square root, am I going to get a negative inside the square root? Because we have to watch. Sometimes we might get extraneous answers. All right, well, let's do the same thing, but let's do cube root. So 2x minus 9 minus 1 equals 2. So I got a pesky minus 1 on the outside. So here we go. I'm going to onion, onion, onion. Big onion, huh? All right, so the first thing I need to do is add 1. Cube root 2x minus 9 equals 3. Now, I've got the radical. I need to get rid of it. So what's the opposite of cube rooting something? Cubing it. So again, 3 over 3 is 1. That's how I get just 2x minus 9. And what is 3 cubed? Super proud of you if you know it because you've been doing it so much. If you had to look at your power table, that's okay too. I still love you. All right. Add 9. 2x equals 36. Divide by 2. And x is 18. Do a quick check. But in this case, we don't really have to worry about it because we can take the cube root of negative values, can't we? All right, time for you to practice. Here we go. I'm going to do All right, here we go. So first up, add 15. This is the cube root. This is 232. Okay, before you take the cube root, I got a pesky 8. Gotta get rid of. Okay. Divide each side by 8. Cube root of 10x equals 4. All right, what's the opposite of taking the cube root? Cubing it. What I do to one side, I got to do to the other. So 10x equals 4 cubed is 64. Divide by 10, and x is 6.4. Well done. All righty. Let's do 3x plus 10 equals 8. All right, I don't see anything else around, so square each side. And I square it because there's no number there. So 3x plus 10 equals 64. This is starting to look familiar, like this one over here. Minus 10. 3x is equal to 54. Divide by 3. And x is, let's see, 3 goes into there once with 2 left over, 18. And again, check, especially a square root, are we going to get a negative value? All right, all done. Thank you.